I'm vlogging. 1 second. Guys, I'm at Carlee's house. Is this Carlee's house? Good question. Hey, seriously, is this Carlee's house? Just gonna stand here and wait a little bit. Guys, look who it is! It's Carlee! Hi! Bye, Mom. I was vlogging and I didn't know it was your house. So I was like, wait, is this her house? Alright, guys, this is our Megan's horses.
Hey, this is Spice.
There's another one coming. I'm so scared. This is, oh my gosh. What if it poops? I have seen horses pee. Is it gonna do that on me?
No!
Dude, it's like a waterfall.
This is
Tilly.
Tilly. This is Megan's horse. Her own personal. Look at the sky.
Oh my god.
Oh, and that's Nola trying to attack the flipping.
What does Nola do? Nola thinks she's an attack dog. Oh my gosh, the horse. Oh my gosh. Guys, I've never been to a real farm.
Okay.
Now we're going to feed the lambs. No, it's not allowed in. Oh my gosh. Guys, I thought you were kidding when you said. Can you even see them? I don't think I can see the lambs.
Turn on the flash.
How do you do that? So here we have the lambs. Oh my gosh. Guys, they've been spooked. They're shooken. They have been shooken.
So I will tell you their names. So this is Twiddledee. That one's my lamb. And then Kenzie's is Twiddledum.
Twiddledee, Twiddledum.
And you know what that's off of? Alice in Wonderland. We are smart people.
Demon.
Ouch!
Okay, now you put the stuff in the stuff.
This is called milk replacement. Because I'm not a mother. And then we're done.
And then Twiddledee and Twiddledum come back.
Oh, look how cute.
Twiddledee, Twiddledum. Oh. So,
Guys, look, it's time to vlog. Hold on.
we just got back from the lambs and we're looking at her dum dum. What's up? This is this magic trick.
She's not going back.
What? Not yet.
The camera's out.
she's like, take my photograph. Okay, fine.
No joke.
It's not out. When the camera's not on her, she's like, well, she's gonna see the camera and just stop.
Ow!
Piper! Okay. Piper's getting intense.
Hey.
Piper!
Because she's... Yeah!
It's time to go now. My mom's stupid car is here, and I have to go to my stupid house. Bye, Carlee. Okay. So make sure you like and subscribe so that you don't miss any more of this.